welcome back to another episode of Project Bumble. Right, today what we're going to do is my friends are going to bring a big breaker bar and we're going to see if we can break the engine free. I think it'd just be nice to get it running. It will be a nice motivator, but it's probably not going to be in the best condition anyway, so it's only going to be sort of like a temporary thing until we change the engine over, that if we can break it free. So yeah, I'm just going to strip it down, strip the head back off the block, put some more oil down the bores. I think to get a socket on the bottom bolt of the crank you need to remove a bracket, so I'm gonna try and remove that so we can get the socket on there and get the breaker bar on, and hopefully that should actually get it moving this time. And once I've stripped it all down, I'll leave it until later and I'll do a little bit on that subframe mount panel. Alright, cheers. Right, well that's really annoying. It's just completely seized. It is completely seized. Yeah, so I took off the radiator bracket and jacked up the engine off the mount, and so I could get the socket on there. And all that's happening is that crank bolt that I guess is supposed to be torqued up and all that kind of stuff, that will turn before the engine turns, and I don't particularly fancy snapping that in there. Stuck something in the flywheel and tried to turn that, but it's just absolutely solid. That engine's going to have to come out. We'll put the replacement gold seal in, and then I'll strip this down later on and we'll find out exactly what's going on. Okay, so let's do some more bodywork then. Sorry guys. Alright, so here's where I'm up to today. Got the subframe jig thingy back in, bolted onto the subframe mount panel. if I was doing this again, I'd make this a bit stiffer because I've still got some up and down movement. Inside, there's that panel. Scribe round, cut it out, weld it in. That's it. So that's all the work I got done today. My friend Ben is coming over. He wants to have another go at the engine, but I think I've had enough for today, so maybe go out in his car. That would be nice. He's got an 80s red hot, and yeah, maybe have a look around that and maybe go for a quick drive. So see you in a sec.
So it's
87. Was it 1988?
1988, red hot.
Yeah, red hot. So it's a 998.
998, HF 38, stainless, DTM exhaust.
So noisy.
Very noisy.
Awesome. Love a Mini. Love it. Oh yeah. That's where you're rubbing. Nice. Well, cheers for the ride, Ben. Cool.